Your website should help generate appointments even when your shop is closed, and AI chat tools can make that happen. Instead of letting visitors browse your site and leave without taking action, AI chat can answer common questions, guide customers toward booking, and collect leads around the clock. Many people visiting an auto repair website want fast answers. Do you work on my vehicle? Are you open tomorrow? Can I schedule an inspection? AI chat can respond instantly and keep that potential customer engaged. It can also direct people to your services, financing information, contact page, or booking form. This creates a better online experience and gives your business a stronger chance of converting traffic into real jobs. For local shops, convenience and response time are major advantages. America's Best Shops helps repair shops use AI-driven marketing and communication tools to turn their websites into active, lead-generating assets instead of passive online brochures.